Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. Well, this week we have a request from a community member by the name of Dominique, and she writes, Hi MissPlanIt. Hi Dominique. I have been watching your videos for a while now and I love your recreations. Oh, thanks. It does my DIY heart good to see your ideas. Anywho, I have a project idea that I would love to see you recreate. A wedding table centerpiece with a record theme. Cool. My boyfriend and I are huge music lovers. Listening to music on our record player, our record shopping, and music in general has been a huge part of our relationship. So it would only be right that we would incorporate that into our future wedding. That is an awesome idea. We would love to have a wedding on a budget, so I don't want to break the bank on centerpieces, and I want the look to be elegant, not cheesy, if that makes sense. That makes total sense. I wanted to see if you could come up with a centerpiece that I can recreate for about $20 that includes the record. Ooh, I'm up for the challenge. Love a challenge. Our color scheme, which will be eggplant or deep purple, burgundy, blush, and gold. Thank you. Well, Dominique, I'm so excited to show you that we created that beautiful vintage inspired record centerpiece for under $20. I can't wait to show you. So, are y'all ready? Okay, let's go. So guys, in order to keep our costs low, we went and utilized all of the supplies at the Dollar Tree. All of these vases came directly from the Dollar Tree, as well as most of the flowers. In addition to that, the flowers have multiple blossoms, so we can use the remaining blossoms for the other centerpieces. That's how we keep the costs low. So for this particular part of our centerpiece, our little bouquets, I'm using 2 hydrangea blossoms as well as 1 mum blossoms in a variety of colors. The color schemes all complement each other, and we simply twine them together using our floral wire that we also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Remember, don't worry about the supply links. They're all in the description right below this video. We're going to add some extra interest to our centerpiece by adding height using a 3x4-inch foam cube that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. We're going to simply cover it with some paper. In this case, I'm using paper that has musical notes on it to just give our music lovers a little extra zhuzh, as you can say it, to the centerpiece. You can cover it with any paper you would like. In order to have the stability we need to place our vases on top of the centerpiece, we're going to attach a 12-inch foam disc to our foam block. Once that is done, we can go ahead and place our 12-inch vinyl record right there on top. Be sure to put the hot glue on the label side so that, you don't ruin the record, because you might want to refurbish it and listen to it later. I don't know. To cover up the sides, we're going to take a 1-inch strip of our same musical note paper, and we're just going to attach it to the sides using hot glue. To complete our centerpiece stand, we are simply going to cover the label with another piece of our music note paper. Now for this, you can choose to cover it with a sticker, maybe with your wedding date on there, your favorite song on there. There's just so many options. Now you're just going to repeat those steps using our 4-inch cake stand. Well, Dominique, what do you think? Who would have thought something so elegant could be so inexpensive? Guess what? We here at MissPlanIt did. We are so excited about how this turned out. Now, you will notice that the project cost listed in the description below is right under $25. But don't fret, guys. That takes into the account the flowers that have multiple blossoms, as well as different supplies used to create this project that have more than enough for one project. So with that in account, the cost for this project is right at about $19.75. All right, so if you like this week's project, go ahead and like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted every Wednesday. Go ahead and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. There's a link for it right there below, as well as our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you will not only find awesome blog posts, wonderful coupon options, and just general all-around information about DIYing your wedding and parties, but you will also find the written and picture instructions for all of our projects. We are so glad that you choose to join us, and don't forget, you can find the links to all the supplies right underneath this project. Just click on that little upside down triangle and all the information is at your fingertips. Thank you so much for joining us. We know you have so many options, and if there's a project that we can help you with, go ahead and head over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. Oh, and there's also a link right there below the video. But notice all the links. Don't forget, there's our Ebates link also, so you can save money while you're spending money. Well, we had an absolute blast this week. We are so grateful for you allowing us to be a part of your life. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and so we thank you for choosing to spend this time with us. So until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.